Hi friend, today we'll write the program to replace last character occurs in a string using Java programming. First we write the class name, then main method, then write the variable, define the variable, string replace character, string str, then character replace character and new character. And also here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object. Scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in system.out.println. Enter the string to replace. Next line of code define which string we have to replace, what string user is enter which we have to replace. sc dot next line, for a string sc dot next line, then enter the character to replace, and then next code define which letter we have to replace, is equal to replace character is equal to sc dot next dot character at 0th index, then enter the new character, new character which is come on in the place of old character. This line of code defined which new character we have to change, come in place of old character. Next dot character at 0th index, then we use character replace character array is equal to replace character string dot to character. We apply the formula of to character, then int i is equal to replace character array dot length of character minus 1, because we have to remove the character from last order. And we use while loop while I is greater than or equal to 0, then use if else statement. If replace character array at ith index is equal replace character then replace character is array of I is equal to new character, then break the statement give the iteration in decrement order, I in minus minus, and then print the character. First we have to print in the format, in the form of format. After replacing last occurrence of module C with module C is equal to replace character and new character. Then print the replace character array. Then save the program and run the program. Let's suppose enter the character hello, and we change the character of a string. Replace this O is replaced by Y. Then after replacing last occurrence of O with Y is HELLY. That's it.